Hey folks, so I'm guessing you want to grow your small account into a bigger account, right? And you're on the right video, but let me tell you something, okay? I repeat it, I'm not going to tell you to be disciplined, stay consistent. What's the other one? Journal your trade. If you want to do those things, you should do it. It's up to you. I don't have any likes or dislikes. I don't care about those things. The goal of this video is I'm going to show you the types of trades. Yeah, finally, this video. Other videos told you to stay disciplined, but they never told you what to trade, right? This video, I'm going to show you how to turn that $10 into $500 and how to turn that $500 into $5,000, okay? So I'm assuming that if you are trying to grow your small account, you have, I don't know, a couple hundred or a couple thousand, right? But you're below 25K, I'm assuming, okay? Now, so you have two options. So I want you to do swing trades and day trade 3 times every 5 trading days. So just keep that in mind. So what is a swing trade? So swing trade means that you buy a stock, let's say today, right? But you don't close on it today. If you close on it today, that counts as your day trade. And if you do it more than 3 times for 5 trading days, your account could get frozen. Keep that in mind, okay? Saying that, so swing trade, you got it, right? So you buy today and you wait a couple of days and you sell it. But what do you buy? What do you sell? Couple of things. Number one, FDA approvals. So FDA approvals, if you don't know what those are, I made a separate video on how to do that. But pretty much, there are companies, creating medications, products, and things like that. And they'll tell you when is FDA. FDA is an agency here in the US of A where they do an approval, right? And when the approval goes through or prior to an approval, the stock goes up. And I want you to play that. So how do you find those? Go to fdatracker.com and you'll see a calendar like this. I want you to go here and I want you to just go through like what's coming up. So I want you to go through it, what's coming up, click on the ticker, and then find a stock which you think is good. But if you don't know how to play FDA stocks, Nikesh, can you put the video somewhere? So there's a different video which tells you how to play these FDA plays. Make sure to watch that video, okay? I'm just giving you a quick crash course on how to grow your account. So FDA plays, that's one. Now, number two, what you can do is something called the earning call. So every 4 months, all these companies have to tell people, hey, we made this much money or we lost this much money, right? And you can do the same thing, swing trade earning calls. So earning calls, just Google it. Go to just go to the site Zacks or just Google earning calls calendar and you'll find all these companies, okay? And I have a separate video where you can learn how to do earning calls, but you can do this. So pretty much the same concept. So if a company has had a great couple of quarters, the chances are they're going to be doing good again, right? And that means the price is going to soar up, and that's when you go ahead and do a swing trade and make that money. Make that money right there, okay? That's the second way. Now, the third way that you can grow your account is something called the volume play. Now, keep in mind that you cannot do volume play every day. Well, you can if you know how to, but I'm going to show that to you. So volume play means that you go to FinViz in the morning, right? And you wait, okay? You check it out, okay? You go to finviz.com and you look at top gainers, okay? Top gainers, and make sure they have a lot of volume, like 33 million, 50 million, bunch of volume. The stock is going so crazy right now. Now, then you go ahead and find a stock that's under $5, $2-3, right? And then you don't buy at the open, okay? Please don't do that. Then you wait an hour. This is pretty much day trading, guys. So you wait an hour or so till it settles down, right? Then you find a good entry point. There's a video for that. And you find a good entry point and you enter the system, and then you start off by making like 20-30 pennies per share, okay? This is called the volume play, and you can do it without any restrictions. At least do one stock per day for 3 trading days, and you gotta wait another 5 trading days before it resets on your account. Now, you can do that. Now, if you want to know how to avoid your PTD, you can watch my other video as well. But this video told you 3 ways how you can grow a small account into a larger account. So FDA approvals, earning calls, and volume play. You got that, right? So that's it. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to comment below saying, I want to make money, I want to make money, or I love stocks, okay? And hit that like button and also subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.